I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason.
What's up, you guys? It's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So in today's video, just like the title says, I will be cleaning and decorating our family room. But first, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are not, welcome back, you guys. So I'm gonna keep it really simple in this living room or family room, whatever you want to call it. We still enjoy a lot of time, the majority of our time in here, so I don't want it to be like, you know, really stuffy and stuff, but we can't feel like we could be comfortable and hang out like we always do. So I'm just gonna keep it really simple. Like I said, I'm gonna be changing out some of the pillows, as well as just some of my, of course, DIYs that I do, making some flower arrangements and just, you know, trying to see what fits for this space. So also remember, just like I said in my previous videos, that I do decorate for fall, and that leads me through Thanksgiving. The only difference is that I don't usually decorate for fall this early, but due to YouTube, I went ahead and decorated early to give you guys some ideas and just to see some things that you can try on your own. So for the pillows, because my base color in the living room is that bluish color, it's always hard, or I always feel like, you know, I can't get stuff to match with it perfectly. But I knew that I used the wine color last year, so I was okay with that. But the burnt orange, I did not. So the wine color pillows are actually pillow covers that I got from Amazon, and they have like small little pom-poms on the end of those. I thought they were really pretty. And then the burnt orange, they were actually a pack of 2 pillows that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Ross. I'm not sure which one, but it was like a 2-pack for like $16. So I thought that was a good deal. I couldn't leave those. And they look like a corduroy, but they don't feel like corduroy. So I thought it would bring some texture in. And then the pillows, the gray pillows are just the ones I already had on the sofa. So right here, I'm just showing you just some picks and some stems that I picked up along the way. I was just gathering stuff. I really didn't know what I was going to do, you know, to decorate or what I was going to use. But I picked these up from the Target dollar spot. And then the picks and stems I picked up this year from Hobby Lobby. I think they had like a 40 or 50% off sale. Like I said, I didn't know which way I was going. I just picked up some different things that I could possibly incorporate or make some flower arrangements with. So I'm not going to talk much the rest of the video. I think you guys can kind of get the gist of it. I'm just going to go around the room, just add some pieces around to make it a little bit more festive in here. Just play with some things. If it doesn't work, I will try something new, and then you guys will be able to see what I came up with.
just like a dream. Yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. You're moving closer, I feel the heat. Hands on your chest, you're all I want. Now keep me warm, just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button to let me know you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Written in the stars, you, me, forever, yeah.